Hi, welcome to my Schoolism course, Visual Development Step by Step. I'm Sylvain Marc and I'll be your teacher for this class. For over 15 years I've been working in the animation industry, filling different roles including visual development, production design, character design, or storyboarding for studios such as Leica, Pixar, Sony Animation, Netflix, and many more. In this course, I will take you through my own creative and thought process, while I break down the steps of making artworks from start to finish in a giant demo. I will cover a wide range of topics, from using references, sketching thumbnails, to rough drawing and cleanup, shading, lighting, and finally color, putting the theory into practice and sharing tips as we go. We'll apply all of this together in order to create a whole interior design. I will then touch on character design in a dedicated lesson, and I will show you how I go about creating characters, to finally integrate a character into our set. In a following lesson, we will move on to the exterior design, where I'll demonstrate to you even more techniques. I will finally share some general tips and advice and my experience about freelancing remotely, with the hope that everything I share will help you move your career further. I'm very excited about teaching this class, and I look forward to seeing what you create in our one-to-one sessions, where I will be reviewing your work, drawing with you, and talking to you live. So see you at schoolism.com.